Know that I'm the girl that you should call, but when you're with me, I'll give you a taste. Make your life so much easier and so much cooler if I gave you a makeover. It's time. It's time to just step it up.
Since you understand, I'm obsessed.
From the top, she's got a body like an hourglass, ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all run out. When I thought he was mine, she caught him by the mouth. I waited 8 long months, she finally set him free. I told him I couldn't lie, he was the only one for me. 2 weeks a week, caught on fire. She's getting out for me, but I wear the biggest smile.
Extensions that I bought years ago, and I'm gonna attempt to blend them on my short ass blunt hair. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't have high hopes for this. I've never done this before, but some days I do regret chopping off all of my hair. See, I thought this was gonna be me, you know, like stepping into my baddie era and shit, and some days I do feel like that. Then other days I kind of look like Lord Farquaad or whatever his name is a little bit. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. I just put the rest of the hair down and look. Don't worry, I'm gonna try my best. We're gonna attempt to fix this. Another reason I wanted to put extensions on is because I have a brand deal to film right now, right? And tell me why they want me to film a Euphoria themed video. So I was like, okay, that's fun, but I have to look really cute now. So I'm out of all the little big pieces and I only have these, and I'm assuming these go like in the front here. Wait, I just found one on the floor. Oh my gosh, now it's gonna be uneven. I don't know where to put it, so we're just gonna put it here. This is how it looks. This is my first time, so don't judge me, but do I look fucking crazy? This is so weird. It's so long. For the little brand deal thingy, I have to dress up as Maddie from Euphoria, so this is like the closest dress that I have to the picture that I like clip the hair in the back so it looks a little bit more natural. But if I look crazy, y'all better tell me. Wait, I don't know why I didn't look at the back, because look, this is the front. And then that's the back.
Hey guys, I have another transformation for you. Except this time I'm going to be using tape-in extension. About a year ago she colored her hair jet black, and when she went to her stylist to try to lighten it, I guess most of her hair got fried off. Her ultimate goal was a light chestnut brown. I colored her hair the best as I could because her ends were super compromised. There's no way we were going to lighten that. Here I ended up blending Stardust 1B and number 2 to give her the best blend with her hair. On top of everything else, she also had straightening treatment done to her hair, so I recommended Stardust hair care that's safe for extension and keratin treated hair.
When I walked in the club, everything changed when I walked in the club. He was looking at me like, wow, you're a hot body, I drip and I drown. So he says, I heard you're a singer, I live in a penthouse on the east side. I could tell what he implied, I don't trust my decisions I make after midnight. That's like, gatekeep, call his new bitch mainstream. Fantastic, hypnotic, grab a couple balls from his wallet. His photos naked, little bitch looking like gold plated. Joyride in a new Mercedes. You want me to have your babies? He knew me as a sweet little girl. I was all for his own. He's never seen this side of my world, 'cause I've lost all control. I wanna drive him crazy like he did me, 'cause he did me wrong. All his behavior I'm projecting, it was